selection for serial operation. It is connected to the line. Now clock is applied to this clock input. DS is connected over here. First data input we apply to the VCC. Then DS input is connected to this pin. Apply the clock. Okay, apply the clock. So whatever the data input we have applied, that is shifted over here. Now second input, suppose I have connected to this D1 as 0. Shift this DS input to this D1 level, then apply the clock. So right now D1 is 1, so whatever the data available over here, it is shifted. D1 is 0. So the data is coming at the first output line is shifted to second. Here we are getting a 0. Now again, suppose D2 we have applied as 0. For example, now shift this DS input to this D2. Apply the clock. Okay. So data is again shifted. Now last bit, suppose I will connect this as a 1. Shift this DS to this. Okay, and then apply the clock. So what type of data we have applied? 1, 0, 0, 1. Whatever the data we have applied, at 4th clock pulse we get same data over here. So that is nothing but we apply the serial input data, we get parallelly all data. Okay, so we had done here serial in parallel out. Serial in parallel out, that is SIPO. For serial in we require 4 clock pulses to apply the 1 by 1 bit of data, and at the 4th clock pulse all the data applied is displayed on the output. So we have performed SIPO type of shift register over here. In same circuit we have to do SISO, serial in, serial out. Already we are in the data serially, so we are observing how the data is coming out at output levels of the all the flip-flops serially. Okay, at 4th clock pulse already 1 data bit is out, so we require to observe remaining 3 data inputs. So only 3 extra clock pulses we require for serial out operation. See here on the 5th clock pulse 0 is coming, already 1 is to be available, so next 0 is coming. 6th clock pulse second 0 is coming, then 7th clock pulse 1 is coming. So the data is coming over here. Firstly at the 4th clock pulse 1 is displayed, then 6th clock pulse 0, 7th clock 5th clock pulse 0, 6th clock pulse 0, 7th clock pulse 1 is out. So serial in, serial out we require total 7 clock pulse.